So happy birthday, and I hope you start living before you die.
Leg. This is SUN, Sheeple United Network, the hotspot on your world.
M1D engine chill is complete.
ASTS is ready for launch.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Launch director on countdown 1. SpaceX Falcon Heavy, go for launch. Falcon Heavy is configured for flight.
T-minus 15, standby for terminal count. 10, 9, 8,
Side booster ignition.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
As swift as can be, watch it flying through the air. It travels in space or under the sea, and it can journey anywhere. Supercar, supercar. It travels on land or roams the skies, through the heavens' stormy rage. It's Mercury man, and everyone cries. It's the marvel of the age. Supercar.
I wish I was a spaceman, the fastest guy alive. I'd fly you around the universe in Fireball XL5. Way out in space together, conquerors of the sky. My heart would be a fireball, a fireball. Every time I gazed into your starry eyes. We'd take the path to Jupiter, and maybe very soon we'd cruise along the Milky Way and land upon the moon. To a wonderland of stardust, we'll zoom our way to Mars. My heart would be a fireball, a fireball. 'Cause you would be my Venus of the stars.
You like? Subscribe!
They're gonna have the flying cars already.
Yeah, they have been promising that for a while.
Years. When we were kids, they made it seem like it was right around the corner.
I think Ed Begley Jr. has one.
That's just electric.
What about Harrison Ford? He had one in the Blade Runner. That was a cool one.
What's the competition? Chitty Chitty Bang Bang?
What do you think the big holdup is?
The government is very touchy about us being in the air. Let us run around on the ground as much as we want. Anything in the air is a big production.
Yeah, right. And what about the floating cities?
And the underwater bubble cities?
It's like we're living in the 50s here.